Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to change draft time on ESPN Fantasy Football. As you can see, we're already on our ESPN Fantasy Football app. If it's not open, you want to open your app. And right here at the top, you can see we're currently under football for ESPN Fantasy. You can see the name of the league. And on the right side in red, you can see drafting in 7 days. All you need to do is to come to where you have draft settings. Locate draft settings and tap on it. And then here you can see at the top, schedule your draft. You have the draft type, draft date and time. It's already set, but because we want to change the time, whether it's the date, you can tap on the date and choose another date. And also you can tap on the time and choose the time you want. This will effectively change the draft time on ESPN Fantasy Football. When that's done, you can go to the top right corner, simply tap on save, and that will be adjusted and reflected as the new change. So this is how to change draft time on ESPN Fantasy Football. Do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.